If you search automatic night light in YouTube, you found so many videos. Today I make one of them. In my diagram, I only use a triac, a LDR and a resistor. In Bangladesh, there is low opportunity in electronics project, so I made a low quality project. First, taking all equipment, I assemble everything like this diagram. After assembling them, I test it in my table. It worked properly. I use a torchlight to it. Then I go to test it on outside. But there is no pin in outside of my house, so I test it in another room. Here is sunlight and proper daylight. In this room, it only turned off in sunlight, but run in daylight. So this little project is not for this area where daylight appear, but it will work there the sun gives sunlight from morning to night, like desert. Thanks for watching.